tunnel in the M6, guys. Damn, that shit sounds like a monster. Just made it to the second location, guys. He's Pink Panther today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, this guy has put a good amount of money in his car. Fast as hell, guys. When I'm driving and he smashes on that 80, the camera goes like that, guys. Like, no joke. Yeah, like, it throws me inside. It puts my fucking penis inside out. Whoa, that's the hole right here. Guys, we made it to Rodeo Drive, guys. We got the rich guys right here. Hey, what's going on? Hello. Rich guys. Hello. Beverly Hills, we're back. We're back, guys. I kind of missed it, guys, to be honest. Alright, guys, so we made it to Rodeo Drive. The cops are stopping somebody over there. This is the intersection to be at right now, guys. So, yeah, we're gonna see what happens right here right now. Oh, that's right, that's right. What's up, what's up? Hey, Rodeo Drive, let's go. It's crowded as hell, guys, right now, guys. It's Rodeo Drive, let's go. We got the cop blocking it over here on this side. We got multiple people. Oh, in front of the cop. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Yeah. We got one cop pulling up right now, guys. We got the Mustang with the wrap right here. We legit have the cops right there, guys. Nobody cares, guys. Oh, look at that guy! What the hell? Boy, what's cracking? Oh! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you! Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey, shout out to my homie right here with every meet. That's right. We got cops pulling up right now, guys. We got the chopper. We got multiple cop cars just pulling up right now. The takeover is real right now, guys. Look at this. We got cops coming from all directions, guys. All directions, guys. Look. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey. That's right. That's right. Hey, you too! Cops are pulling us over right now, guys. Pull over here. We have good lighting, huh? Oh, we got a Hellcat right here. Nice. Out of everybody.
Out of everybody. I saw you.
I didn't see you.
It's recorded.
Yeah.
Everything on film. So. Okay, cool. Perfect.
We could swap it.
Are you Hispanic? Yeah, I'm Hispanic. Oh, come on, man. I have a beaner face.
Yeah. So they're locking up the homie for no reason. What's going on?
Give me the keys.
Give me the keys. Yeah, I'll take. Can I get the water? Because we're actually thirsty. All right. Thank you.
Is it because of my license?
Thank you. Here. There's a cop, a fake cop, and the real cop.
You want to leave any more property for you?
You want me to wash it for you? It's a little dirty, dude.
Fuck 12!
I'll see you tomorrow, buddy. What's cracking, guys? Right now, this spot is cracking as fuck right now, guys. It's about, let me see what time it is. It's about to be 12, it's still cracking out here, guys. Look, check it out. They got nothing. Get it! So what? Let's get it. With the chopper on top, guys. With the chopper on top. That's right. That's right, buddy. That's right. There's chopper in the sky, guys. Park. There's chopper in the sky. People don't care, guys. It's lit right now. Hey, that was lit, bro. That was lit. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, guys? Oh, yeah, she's going with the cop. Hey, that's right. Yeah. We have like a bunch of cops right here. We have the SWAT. Oh, we have the SWAT team here too. What the hell? Oh my God.
SWAT team's here.
What's up, buddy? Good to see you.
What's poppin'?
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Oh, we flexing out here. What's up, buddy? What's up?